So here I have this battery-powered pressure washer with a reservoir. I'm gonna fill up this reservoir here and give it a try. One thing I noticed right off the bat, this handle, if you end up filling up the reservoir, you can't really have the handle. It doesn't really go over top of it anymore. So you have to kind of push it down. You can't have a full reservoir and have the handle over top of it to carry it. I don't know if that was on purpose, but I think I'm gonna rebuild the strap so I could carry it around with water in it full. But anyway, let's give it a try how it is. Fill up the water here. And the water outlet of the reservoir, it just kind of sits on this little tube right there. Doesn't seem like it really connects, but I guess it does. Make a seal there. So you're gonna fill up here. Alright, it's full. Right to the top there. Put the cap is just kind of sets on there just barely. I don't know how much I tell you there. I'm curious if I take it off. How much seals? Let's see. Yeah. You can't really get the strap over it anymore to carry it as a whole unit. And that's just on purpose. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it over to the area that our chicken coop over here. I'll show you real quick. So I'm just gonna clean some of this area off where some of the poop gets. See how well it does. So take the and hook it up here. There you go. And then we'll put the hose on. Right in here. There you go. It's in. So it's ready to go. Turn on here real quick. I'm gonna turn on the low setting. Go to the higher setting here. See what... So it's not all that strong. It's probably like a strong hose. Maybe not even that much. Okay, I'm gonna move it into there. I'm gonna work and we'll give it a try. Okay, so gonna get this hose kind of unraveled here. So I could bring it in and spray off some poop. It's a little cumbersome with the how it stores the hose. Okay, well, that's probably good enough. Alright. See if this does what I was hoping it would do. Let's see if I can get different settings here. Okay, it looks like adjusting it really slow, and that's the highest speed. It's about in the middle just now. Let's see the highest setting does. Okay, I'm out of water, so let's go fill up the water. Yeah. Okay, it's all full again. Let's go back to pressure washing and clean this door. Alright. This is well cleaning out the water feeders for the chickens. So it seems to clean up pretty good. All that white poo's gone. We're gonna see how it does on cleaning this bit of poo spatter from chickens. So it did pretty good. Got it all cleaned up. Another one. Out of water. I'm on my 4th fill up here on 1 battery charge. So I filled up for the 4th time. I ran it for about a minute and it ran out of battery. So that's all she had. 3 full fill ups on a brand new battery. And it emptied out, so I won't run anymore until I charge it again.